It's not Decembering yet, huh? Wabona, something is missing, Jay. I don't know, like it's not Decembering, but something is missing. Like, what is it? Where's the vibe? Gone are those Decembers where you would really feel like, oh my gosh, it's December. Right now, Tina, we're just organizing tickets, holidays. Okay, we're just gonna go out of the country, go away, do whatever, and change. But Kibata summer vibe, Kiairata. I feel like something is missing. Kukopela undisendele DM. Ne, ngizokufonela and we're gonna turn up. Kibata jola song kancane. Just go left and right in J. Meet new people. Oh, man. Nakilapila with this December how it is. And it's been the last 3 years. Hi. I'm not feeling this. I am not feeling this. Ne? I'm waiting for those DMs. Give us a program. Tina, we're gonna come. We're gonna pull up, Joe, my friend. We're gonna pull up. You see. We're gonna pull up there. Hi. This scene kia bora. Everything boring. Everything is boring. We're gonna come. We're gonna come. We're gonna come. Tina, we just love parties. We just want to have a good time.